who loves honey. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to try out a product that one of you guys asked me to try out. I do have a list and here is one. Doreen Ebner, she Instagrammed messaged me if I've ever tried out the Garnier Whole Blends Hair Honey Jelly. I'm gonna tell him, Doreen. I'm gonna tell him what you told me because I actually just did the same exact thing. This little section here says up to 100 hours, curl definition, deep moisture, no crunch. Doreen wrote at first 1,000 hours. And we had a chuckle over it. She goes, oh no, it's 100. But when I just read this in my mind for the first time, I read 1,000 hours. That's like, my mind said 1,000. Maybe because you told me that. I don't know, but it's pretty fun. 100 hours. So what is that? That's 4 days. Okay. So I don't know. I just realized that. I tried this the other day. I did because I usually don't do that. I usually try it for the first time with you guys, but it was there. And I was like, you know what? Let me try this first. And I try it, and I'm going to just be quick and say I liked it, but I don't think that this is going to last for 100 hours. Now that I know how it comes out, I mean, I know I put enough in, but I'll be more like, because I wasn't filming, so I was kind of just trying it. But now I'll really take my time and try it again for the second time. Because sometimes I don't like a product in the beginning. Not that I didn't like it, because I did like it. I did like it, but I don't know about the 100 hours. It's just like, why put that on there if, you know, I have products that could last. 4 days is a lot, though, for curls. I mean, you got to refresh it. So I don't know what they mean by the 100 hours, but let's see. Okay guys, I'm not going to show you drying my hair like I always do. It's in most of my videos. I'm going to put this in with you now though. For waves and curls, Hair Honey Jelly. Our first honey infused styler. Blended with acai honey. I don't know if I say that right. Acai gum. It's a joke because I always say acai bowls. Acai bowls? I don't know. I can't remember that for some reason in my head. Deeply moisturizes and perfectly defines waves and curls. The result in one use, you'll get bouncy, shiny curls up to 100 hours curl definition. No crunch, deep moisture, up to 100 hours of anti-frizz, pillow proof. How to use: apply to wet or damp hair, working it in evenly with your finger styles desired. And it doesn't have alcohol, silicones, artificial dyes, DMDM, hydronotin, phthalates, parabens, and petroleum. Just see, it says for waves and curls. It doesn't say break it down to what type of curls. So I'm thinking probably works better on someone with less coarse hair. But let's try it because I liked it. It smells pretty. It smells really pretty. I don't think it smells like honey, but it smells pretty. I guess that's acai bowl? Okay. Or is that even that's a totally different word. That's a totally different word. Because it's confusing me with that. I don't feel sticky like when I use certain gels, which I really don't because I'm not a fan of gels. But if I were to use gels, they're more sticky and I don't feel stickiness even though it's honey. Go figure. When I did do this, I was like, can you imagine? Oh, my daughter was like, imagine putting this much honey in my hair. And each time I dip my hand, I only put a little because instead of putting a lot on, I'd rather like have it in my hands and then I can like see it's still on this hand and I'm just going like that. So this way it gets everywhere, you know. Start scrunching. I don't even separate the scrunch. It's just like go natural. I like defined curls. I'm just not a fan of like. I think it was more 10 years ago, curls were really just defined in big banana curls, and I personally, that's a bit too defined for me. I like it a little more messier, but I do like to get the curl to the top. Okay, product is in. Let's go dry the hair. I'm just doing the usual diffuser. I go here for a little, I go here for a little, I go in the back for a little, I flip it upside down, dry underneath. You've seen me do it 1,000 times. Is it 1,000? Maybe it's not 1,000. You've seen me do it hundreds of times. I know that. I'll be right back. Should I do one of those like cute transitions or something? Like this. I used to do this all the time when I was a kid. Behind the couch. Be back. Check it out. Looks great. Now, see, I mean, maybe I can get 1,000 hours. I'm kidding. 100 hours. Maybe I can get 100 hours. Thanks, Doreen. Doreen's been following my channel for a while now, I know. And I want to thank you again for recommending a great product. She was okay with me putting her name up. I wouldn't do that unless I asked permission first. So, I'm going to... What am I doing today? Okay, I have a couple things to do. Nothing exciting, but I'll check in with you at the end of the night. Maybe a little in between, I don't know. I don't have anything exciting going on, but because we want to see how well this does. I can't do 4 days. I know I'm not gonna last 4 days, guys. I apologize. Unless my hair's going up in a ponytail. But we'll see. We'll see tonight how it goes. And maybe we'll even see in the morning. That's what we'll do. We'll come back tonight and then in the morning and see if I can go another whole day with maybe a little refresh. But the curls are amazing. They feel amazing. No crunch. Very, very defined curls, but in a nice way. Like, love it. Love it. And I guess I went middle today without even thinking. Sometimes my hair just parts the way it wants to. Because if I went on the side, you can't change it once it's done, for me at least. Once it's there, I can't go back to that because then I'll get this. So, all right, I'm going to go and I will see you guys later. Okay, guys, I'm going to get ready for bed. I almost washed my face, but I wanted to show you how my hair looks. It still looks pretty good, I gotta say. So let's see how it looks in the morning. I'm gonna go to bed. I don't put my hair up because I get like a headache when my hair's up a lot. So I just sleep with it down and I just put it up and above my pillow, like, you know. So let's see how it looks in the morning. I will get back to you when I wake up. See you then. I literally just woke up and I didn't put my hair back in a ponytail all day because that does ruin my curls. And my curls aren't bad. They're actually not bad. They're really good, actually. They're frizzier, but I could just refresh it. Keep suggestion products. I know you do, and I usually try to buy them instantly. So, yeah. I will see you guys in the next video. I am going to... It's kind of a yucky day today. I'm going to try my curly hair today without washing it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.